this is how I teach elapsed time. For a lot of years, I didn't know an effective way to teach it, and then a coworker taught this to me. It's called the T-chart method. So you make your T-chart like this. You have your start time. So let's say our start time is 12:15, and our end time is, let's say it's 4. Let's go with 35. So we need to get to 4:35. We need to figure out how many hours that takes. So we add 1 hour over here. If I add 1 hour, my new time becomes 1:15. I'm not there yet, so I have to add another hour. 2:15. Still not there yet. A strategy I also teach is make sure you put a line across, because sometimes one will get away from the other. So then I add another hour. It's 3:15. And I add another hour. Well, now I'm at 4:15. If I add another hour, that'll get me 5:15, so that's too much. So I know I can't add any more hours, so then I move to minutes. I will start with 5 minutes, so I add 5 minutes. That's 4:20. 5 minutes. 4:25. 5 minutes. 4:30, and then 5 more minutes, 4:35, and that gets me to my end time. So now what I do is I count all of my hours. So I have 1, 2, 3, I have 4 hours. So I have 4 hours, and then I count my minutes, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 20 minutes. Now what you can do, if it gets down to the single minutes, is then you move down to the 1 minutes. So we'll do another one. It's 1:17, and our start time is 1:17, and our end time is, let's go with, I'll keep it short for this one, 3:05. So here we go. Nope, I'm not going to go 3:05. I'm going to go ahead and go 3:25. We'll go with that one. So I add 1 hour. That gives me 2:17. I'm going to add another hour. It gives me 3:17. Now I can't add another hour because that'll be 4:17, so that's not going to work. Well, then I'm going to go 5 minutes. So 5 minutes plus 17, that's going to give me 3:22. Okay, well now I'm going to add 1 minute. 3:23. Then I add 1 minute. I'm getting close. 3:24. And then I add 1 more minute, which gets me to 3:25. So how much time has passed? I have 2 hours and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 minutes. Now you'll always have word stories that'll tell you the kid left home at 4:28, and then they give you a whole list of things that the student does, and they say he's been gone for 6 hours 15 minutes or something like that. So the way that you use the T-chart this way is you do something like this. You go through your hours. So I know I need to put down 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it's 5:28. Then I'm at 6:28. Then I add another hour. 7, 28. And I'm starting to get a little wonky, so I need to watch my lines. 8, 28, 9, 28, 10, 28. And now I have to get my minutes in, so I know it's 5, 10, 15. So I'm going to go here. So 28 plus 5, that's going to give me 10, 33. 28 plus 5 is 33. So then I have to add 5 more. 10, 38, and my line's not going to match. I got ahead of myself. And down here, 38 plus 5 more is going to give me 10, 43. And this is how I teach elapsed time. This is the strategy that I use. So then my end time up here would be 10, 43.